Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up time on your Apple Watch. Your Apple Watch is designed to automatically synchronize its time with your paired iPhone. To ensure accuracy, always confirm that your iPhone's set automatically setting for date and time is active. This feature pulls time information from the network, keeping your watch precise. Remember to keep your iPhone and Apple Watch connected, either through Bluetooth or a reliable Wi-Fi network, for seamless time updates. Sometimes you might want your watch face to display time slightly ahead of the actual time. To do this, open the Settings app directly on your Apple Watch, then tap Clock. You'll see an option labeled +0min. Tap this. Now, use the digital crown to advance your watch face by up to 59 minutes. It's important to note that this change is purely visual and will not affect your alarms, notifications, or other time-sensitive functions. Your Apple Watch's time zone is managed through your iPhone. To adjust it, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then navigate to General and select Date and Time. Make sure the Set Automatically toggle is enabled. This allows your iPhone to update the time zone based on your current location. Additionally, confirm that location services are active on your iPhone, and specifically that Setting Time Zone is turned on within System Services for accurate automatic adjustments. You can easily switch your Apple Watch between 12-hour and 24-hour time formats. Open the Watch app on your iPhone, tap on Clock, and then toggle the 24-hour time option. If you ever encounter persistent time discrepancies, a simple restart of both your Apple Watch and iPhone often resolves the issue. Also, always ensure both devices are running the latest software updates, as this can prevent many common timekeeping problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.